Sarwat, you insist that you're not a feminist.
No, of course I am.
You are a feminist.
No, I mean, that was a misunderstanding that happened. How can I talk about so many causes and not talk about equal rights for women?
She's just got a very good man in her life. She doesn't need a reason to take.
No, I do, and I just, what I don't like, Deepak, is that I don't want to get on the bandwagon of I hate men, because a lot of women empowerment is done by the men who are in those women's lives.
Yeah.
So it is not fair to say that आदमी कुछ नहीं करे और ये नहीं करे वो नहीं. Feminism is about equal rights, and that's where the story ends. So to create more drama around that is unfair. So बहुत ज़रूरी है हम laws की awareness पे बात कर रहे हैं औरतों की, चाहे वो workplace है चाहे वो domestic है. It's very important to know the difference and to know the laws that protect women. So I'm all for it. मैं तो गाड़ी अगर मुझे मिले तो मैं तो झंडे औरतों के लहराते हुए जाऊँ. मैं रोडों पे लोगों की पिटाइयाँ की हैं अगर उन्होंने women I don't even know उन्होंने उनको छेड़ा है. I feel that I want to surround myself with very successful and very powerful women because they inspire me. I want to inspire women, so I am encouraging women, I'm helping women, I'm elevating women, and that's how it should be.
Yeah, I think so too.
Whether that's a part of your community or even if they're not part of your community, it's very important to give that feeling to somebody like somebody did to me and inspired me to become this strong. That was my mother in that case. But
I'll interrupt you there.
Yes.
Time for a break, जी. और कहीं भी नहीं जाइएगा. हम will be back on आपकी कहानी with Sarwat and Fahad. और बिल्कुल भी ना जाइएगा नहीं तो सरवत आपकी पिटाई कर देंगी. See you soon.